Let's see what we gonna do first.
Pineapple.
All right. Pineapple.
Cantaloupe. And grape.
Corlena's relationship with Grandmama is better than any relationship she has with anybody in this world.
It is hilarious. It is unbreakable.
Grandmama is like her very best friend. It's her grandmother, of course. It's like her sister. It's like they're girlfriends. They like two little golden girls together, Grandmama and Corlena.
Now this time I'm gonna help you because last time what happened with our egg. All right. I'm gonna do this one all by yourself. Uh-oh, gotta get the shells off. He's doing it.
Kind of like hot chocolate. But it's not hot chocolate.
It's like hot chocolate, but not hot chocolate.
Corlena eats everything because of Grandmama.
They do a lot of things together. They cook, they clean. You'll see Corlena, she cleans up better than everybody in this house because Grandma cleans up after everything. Their relationship, their bond is the strongest bond I've ever seen in my entire life. So when it comes to the whole family, choosing listening and spoken language is probably the best decision we ever made.